In this video, we will learn how to make organic compost at home. This simple process is smell-free and easy to implement. In order to make a compost, you simply need a container. It can be anything from bucket to a normal dustbin or a garden pot. Garden soil will keep the bad smell away and it will fasten the composting process. Banana peels will add potassium as well as small amounts of nitrogen, phosphorus and magnesium. In order to help compost break down faster, shred kitchen waste since it takes longer for larger pieces to break down. This will speed up the time it takes to make compost. Eggshell are made out of calcium carbonate. Calcium helps the plant to develop a strong cellular structure. Add crushed eggshells to add calcium and other minerals in the compost. Kitchen waste high in nitrogen and help to activate heat process. Green material which are high in nitrogen are used to activate the heat process in your compost. Press the mix properly so that all the items should come into contact with one another. Make sure the mixture stays moist but not too wet. Best place to start composting is outdoors, but you can even start the process inside your home. Whenever compost pile starts to dry up, add more water to it. After a month or more, your compost is ready to be used in the garden. Add compost to your plants in small proportion to provide them with nutrients that help them thrive and flourish. Making compost correctly will allow you to feed your plants essential nutrients and make your soil more fertile, all while using items that would otherwise go into your trash. Okay guys, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye!